Natembeya ni kiongozi wetu. Naomba wenzangu ikiwezekana msirudi nyuma. Msirudi nyuma.
Tutarudi nyuma.
Sisi tunapaka Natembeya na yule mwenye anaota ya kwamba awe impeached, hiyo ni ndoto, haiwezekani. Hiyo haiwezekani. Yes. Yeah. MCS watu wa Nzoia, kaeni ngumu. Kaeni ngumu. Na sisi hatutarudi nyuma. Tunasupport nyinyi. Tunajua ya kwamba Kakamega yote ni TAP Kenya. Karibuni members wengine to join. Yeah. Na sisi tuko nyuma ya party leader Mheshimiwa Wamalwa pamoja na Natembeya. Yes. Tuna hakika ya kwamba watatufikisha mahali tunataka. Hakuna umweso, hakuna mchezo. Yes. Natembeya kaa ngumu.
Our leaders have been part of the government and we have not been benefiting as people of Western nation. And we are very happy that the Natembeya has decided to fight for the community so that we speak in one voice and we also demand an equal share of development and opportunities in the current government. It is extremely unfortunate that some leaders are feeling very threatened by the movement that Natembeya has established in Mlembe Nation, and they are now threatening him that they will have him impeached. I want to state this. One, I'd like to reach out to my colleagues who are members of County Assembly of Nzoia. I believe you are so proud of the governor you are having, and I beseech you to stand in solidarity with the governor. Don't be intimidated and don't allow the single voice that speaks for our nation to be silent. We are here worried that disappointed about some remarks that Natembeya should be impeached. We are sending one message to our leaders across the country that Natembeya is our voice. We will not accept him being intimidated. We will not accept him being silenced. We support him. He speaks for the voiceless. He speaks for the community. He speaks for everyone. And we support the message that he is giving. And we will stand with him. We will not accept any more intimidation.
You should know that Governor George Natembeya was elected by the people of Nzoia. Yes. If Governor Natembeya is not working for the people of Nzoia, they have the mandate to impeach him. Yes. But you as a senator who has very many core values that you are supposed to be performing at the Senate, you have no business telling MCS to impeach Natembeya. Yes. Natembeya is our leader. We trust him. He has dignity. He is a man who is not a thief. He is a man who has a vision for Mlembe Nation. Yes. Natembeya has a voice. He is speaking what has not been spoken by other leaders for the last 25 years. We are standing with Natembeya, na sisi tunaambia ule Senator Charegei na yule Senator wa Nandi anaitwa Mandago. We have very strong issues ambazo yafaa wao wanaongelea. The government system has failed. Tell President William Ruto that SHA is not working. Tell him that CBC is not functioning. Tell them that the Kenyans are sleeping hungry because of the high taxes that they have impounded on the people. Wachana na maneno ya Natembeya. Natembeya is our leader, and we are focused on him. 2027, we are going to rally behind Governor George Natembeya. Our youth, our mama, our mbaba kutoka Western Province, sisi tunaenda kukaa na tunaenda kusema ya kwamba ile Natembeya atatuambia ndio sisi tutafanya. Lakini maneno ya kukuja kutuambia vitu ambazo hazina mpango, address the president, tell him the issues that are eating our government and leave Natembeya alone.
We are not going to allow busybodies, people from outside Western region, to attack one of our leaders. We love our leaders, and Natembeya is one of them. And we want to thank God for giving us Natembeya from Western. That he has come out strongly to tell people that if we want to survive and actually be competitive with the other regions in this Kenya, then we have to be united. Natembeya is not talking about Mambaya tribes. He's actually wanting to unite anybody. It doesn't matter which tribe you are coming from. So long as you are a resident of Western, you are a person who stays in Western, you want to speak in one voice. And that is what Natembeya is articulating. And now we are saying those people who are attacking Natembeya, those who are actually articulating that Natembeya should be impeached, they have lost the direction. And the Mambaya impeachment is done by members of County Assembly. And the Trans Nzoia members of County Assembly have no problem, have no issues with Natembeya. In fact, they are calling Natembeya as their first heroes in the county government. So let us actually allow Natembeya to work. Let us allow Natembeya to unite the people of Western. Si muko pamoja na Natembeya? Sisi zote tuko nyuma ya Natembeya. Na tutakutembea na Natembeya. Tutakufa na Natembeya.